So this is how you cook pasta when you are very hungry. Guys, stay tuned and relax. First, I have this tomato paste or tomato mix in my fridge, and I get a clean pot, pour in some water. This water is a very clean water, guys. Please pour in some water, and then the next thing is to get this tomato mix. This is a tomato mix made with fried tomatoes, garlic and ginger with onions. It tastes so good, it is lovely, and it helps me cook fast. Like when I need to cook, I don't need to do much and it is so ready. So I allow the tomato mix and the water boil in just about 2 to 3 minutes, and then add some seasoning. I have salt, I have curry, I have paprika and a little chili to give it that taste, and then I add some bay leaves. Mix it gently together so everything is highly and well incorporated. Guys, then you have the pasta. This pasta is just store-bought pasta. You are very hungry, guys. I am very hungry, so we have to cook this fast. Add this pasta and then allow this pasta to gradually melt. I know some people love their pasta in pieces. You can also shred your pasta in pieces if you want it like that, but if you prefer it long like I'm doing in this video, by all means leave it long. But if you like it shredded, go ahead, shred it. I understand that some people are against the shredding of pastas. Guys, man, this is life. You do you, I do me. So today we are leaving it long anyways. So we allow this pasta gradually melt, and then we add some sardines. Guys, sardines, can you see the sardines is well incorporated in this meal at this moment. Sardines taste so good, and there's this particular type of sardines I find here in Saudi Arabia. It has seasoning on its own, guys. So you see, cooking with minimal ingredients for me is also a way of allowing other ingredients from various sources add to the meal. Guys, this sardine is well seasoned and it tastes so good. So I just have the sardines in, stir it, and guys, in about 15 minutes this pasta is ready. Guys, look at it, lovely. It is sizzling hot and ready. Any hungry person can just make this food and you are so ready to feed yourself. Guys, add some carrots. I am adding some carrots, just some carrots to add some nutrients, add some color, and I give it a good stir. I am just stirring it right now. Guys, what do you do with your bay leaves when you're done cooking? What do you do? Do you try to eat it? Anyways, I usually remove mine. I just remove it and discard it, but I'll be turning it and mixing the pasta to get everything well incorporated and get that color pop. This is what I have now. I keep turning and then I serve. Next, I serve in the plate and it looks absolutely lovely. At the moment, the hunger is second to none, so I'll be serving this pasta. I am just doing that right now in my plate. Guys, I can't wait to dig in. I can't wait to eat up this pasta. I just have it more serving till I am just okay per serving. Guys, a lot of people are also waiting for this meal, but take a look at this food, the fish, the carrots. Guys, these sardines actually make life easier. And remember, we had some tomato sauce in the beginning and then this chopped parsley to finish off the look. This parsley is loosely chopped. We are hungry here and we don't have time to give it that tiny chop. Guys, this is how you chop parsley when you're so hungry. Will you be trying this recipe again? I ask, guys. Look at this pasta, so lovely. Thank you all guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment. Thank you so much. Bye.